Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make African black shampoo for extreme hair growth. So what I have here is my African soap. This is our base actually, and this is a Ghana soap. Yes, it is Ghana recipe. Each country in Africa has their own black soap. So this was made in Ghana. So yes, we're going to take this black soap and I'm going to part the soap into two, and I'll keep half for later, and then I'm going to use half for my black soap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then shred this to pieces with my hand, because we need it in smaller pieces. Why do we need it in smaller pieces? So that when we are ready to soak our black soap, it will be easily dissolved. Do you get me? So yes, we're going to shred this to pieces and then pour in some water to dissolve it. Alright, so this is what our shredded black soap looks like. Now we're going to pour in hot water for this to be melted. You can't use cold water because cold water doesn't melt it, it's just going to remain the same. So the best and fastest way to dissolve your black soap is to use hot water to soak it. So yeah, we're going to leave this hot water in for about, let's say, 1 to 2 hours, and we're going to just cover it and come back for it. So yes, yeah guys, so while we're waiting for our black soap to dissolve, we're now going to make our base for our oils, rather, for the black soap. So the first thing I have is my shea butter. We're going to melt our shea butter into a liquid state, and I'm going to be adding my carrier oil and my essential oil. First oil I'm adding here is my tea tree oil. It's supposed to be 1 full spoon, but yeah, this is what I had left. I had no idea, by the way, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to be adding other oils to complement it. So next oil I'm adding in is my peppermint oil. 1 full spoon of peppermint oil. As for your shea butter, it doesn't matter, just this size is enough. Okay, so yeah, we're going to wait for this to melt, and we're going to add in our olive oil. This is the carrier oil, and olive oil has so many hair benefits, so I just went ahead and pour that in. But if you're adding olive oil, or maybe you can use coconut oil, or you can use let's say any carrier oil of your choice, okay, but one that works for your hair. So yeah, you can use 3 full spoon of that. I don't know why I did that, just poured in those oils like that. Anyways, now we're going to make sure that our oils and butters are melted together, and when we're done melting it together, it's time to turn off the stove and go back to our black soup. So yeah, this is like 2 to 3 hours later, and as you can see, it's completely dissolved. There are no chaff whatsoever, no whatever on it. It's completely in liquid state. So now I'm going to add in my honey. I'm going to add in 1 full spoon of honey to my black soap, or rather to my shampoo, to my African shampoo. And then we're going to stir that together. Alright, so next we are going to add in our, okay, this is actually aloe vera oil, homemade aloe vera oil. This is the, how do I put it, like after filtering out the oil, this is what I had left, so I kept it for my African shampoo. So yes, I just added that into my mixture, and I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. Alright love, so after stirring, now it's time to add in our oils. So I waited for like an hour for the oil to cool down, not really up to an hour, I just waited for it to cool down before adding it to my African shampoo. So yes, I'm going to add that all in, and now I'm going to stir. Alright guys, so you can find what works for your hair, okay? You don't have to use the same ingredients, just check Google. Google is your friend. Look for their properties. If it's good for your hair, then you go with it. And for African shampoo, you don't need so many oils in it. You just need enough oil. You get something that works for you. And trust me, when that sinks into your hair, it's going to be doing an amazing job for you. Already the black soap has its own ingredients, so it just works. Okay, so now I'm adding my clove oil. This is my homemade clove oil. If you guys want to know how I'm making these oils, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have that video coming up next. So make sure you subscribe to get. So yeah, I added olive oil. You can make clove herbs yourself. Maybe soak your clove into water and you can add that in. But I don't want too much water in my soap, so I won't be doing that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to filter those chaff. Yeah, the black soap itself has some, like I said, it comes with its own ingredients. So there's some chaff that it comes with. You can see that, right? Yeah, that's a lot. We don't want that going into our hair, right? So yeah, we're going to take that out. And I'm actually going to filter this twice just to be extra sure that it is good to go. Like I said, you don't want all this chaff. You don't want to be finding out things in your hair that you don't understand where it's coming from. So make sure you do a clean job, okay? This part is very, very important. So yes, guys, filter again. I think we're good to go because now they are just there's basically nothing left there. Okay, so yeah, mix. Now it's time to turn into my container. Now you see this container, you can see that at the back of it there is like a sticker. It was a shampoo that I bought because I love using African shampoos. I bought one. Fortunately, it doesn't foam, you guys. So you can imagine using my money to go and buy soap only for it. I mean shampoo only for it not to foam. And I know how to make it. So like why? Do you understand? Like you know what? Let's put that talent to use. Get so yeah, I came and I made my own shampoo. And you guys are going to see how this shampoo foams when you put it in your hair. Like I'm not even kidding. So yeah, what don't we have shampoo? You can see the color. This is African shampoo for the African girl. So guys, I'm going to show you how the shampoo looks like on my hair. Yeah, like how much it foams. Okay, and one thing about African shampoo that I love so much is it doesn't strip your hair off its natural oils. Like it's just makes your hair shine, makes your hair grow. Like it's good for natural oil. It's good for natural hair. Like it's so good for natural hair with all those oils mixing together to like come together and perform different works and all of that for your hair. It's just perfect. So yeah, this is just that quantity I'm going to be using. Just half the cover and watch how it performs magic. And also watch that spot that has the shampoo on it. Can you see how shiny it is? Yeah, that's the black shampoo. Yeah, the African shampoo for the African girl. Yeah, makes your hair shiny, makes your hair grow like extreme hair growth. Imagine using this and then adding up other herbs and oils to your hair. You can't tell me that there is no way you are not going to experience hair growth. It's going to be very visible. Okay guys, so you can see just that cover that I poured into my hair. Can you see how foamy it is? Just look at that. Yeah, that's it guys. It's magic. It works magic. Just follow the recipe that I'm giving to you and you're going to get the same results. Can you see? Can you see how foamy it is? Yeah, baby. That's the African shampoo for you. So yeah, I'm now going to wash this off my hair. You can see how shiny my hair is. Like I just love African shampoo. I prefer it to using other product that has chemicals in it. Those products were not made for our hair, guys. So, like I say, know what works for your hair. Anyways, yes guys, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you come back for more videos from me. Like I said, I'm going to be giving you tutorials on how I make my oils and all of my herbs. I mean, even my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you. So subscribe to my channel and let's share that awesome result together.